right, here's how I meal prep an avocado. So this is what's called a Hass avocado. This type turns dark when it's ripe. You'll know an avocado is ripe when it is slightly soft to the touch. You can almost indent it with your finger. If it's any more soft, that means it's probably rotten inside. Or if you can't push it in at all, that means that it is not ripe enough yet. So what I do is I remove this little stem here because you don't really want to end up with that in your food. It's not very pleasant. Then I take a little paring knife or a big knife. This is a Wusthof paring knife. I like to use this brand. I'll share a link in the description below. What I do is I do what's called the bridge. I hold my hand like a little bridge over the avocado like that. Then slowly and carefully I take my knife and I place it in between. Then I cut down into the avocado. There is a hard pit in the center, so you want to just go around the pit like that until you've met with your first line. Then you take the avocado like this and then gently twist it, and that's how you open the avocado. Now, you can remove the pit any way you want. Some people use a knife and it's kind of dangerous, but all I really do is I just go like this and tear it out, okay? You don't have to get too crazy with a knife removing the pit of an avocado. Okay, then there's several ways that you can prepare the avocado. So if you want to scoop the whole avocado out, I use a large spoon like this, and I just go in and then scoop all the flesh around the skin. If you want it sliced, you take your knife and you gently hold it with your hand. Be sure not to go through the avocado, but just create little, thin, beautiful slices like this. You can also do thick slices. And then if you want those to come out, you can either peel them back, or I like to take my spoon and scoop all the flesh out as slices. Then you can also make diced avocado, where you turn all of your slices this way and then cut in again. And this will make beautiful little diced avocados like that. Okay, so here's what this looks like when you scoop it out. Make sure you can see that. Okay. Just like that. And here's what it looks like in a bowl. So nice, beautiful diced avocado. Okay, and then to mash the avocado, I take a fork like this, and in a small bowl, you just take the fork and smash like this. And this is how you would make guacamole. So if you wanted to make guacamole, you just add a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice. You can add salt. You can add black pepper, cilantro, tomatoes, but the basic guacamole is just lemon or lime juice with avocado and salt. So that's how I meal prep avocado. And here's a little basic guacamole that I just made with some minced onion, lemon juice, and salt with the mashed avocado.